Yeah. Hey, what's up, everybody? Back at it again. Yeah. Look here, man. These guys still have some of the 2017, and they're in good condition. Oh, I'm all recording high. Yeah. Take a look here, man. This one is real nice. Custom Maverick. Yeah. Very nice. 2018. Some 2017s. And look at that. The cards are in excellent condition. But I already got most of the 2018. But let's go to the main aisle. Oh my, would you take a look at this? I knew they were gonna get some of these ones. Man, as always, the Camaros are getting left behind in the Galaxy. And yeah, this is the reason I came. Man, I wish the Datsun was here. Let's take a look. Open track. Some Disney. Man, let's see over here. Sorry about that, but yeah, I don't see any new Matchbox, but they do have more of the 50th over here. But this is just probably the leftovers, cause I seen a picture where it was like a shipper, like one of the big shippers, and it had the 50th, and it also had I think it was the Cars and Donuts, which I am missing too from that Cars and Donuts. I picked up the 240. I picked up the Subaru, and I picked up the McLaren P1. But yeah, man, I don't see any Cars and Donuts. And from the 50th edition, I only seen something. I'm not really interested, other than the little red truck, Little Red Express. But I already got one, and these ones are $5.99, man. But shoot, actually, I didn't take a good look at the cars over here, man. So yeah, they look like they have the retro. Man, this is the Back to the Future, and there's the Acura NSX and the Deluxe, which we already got. They also have these open track the Sleeping Beauty, which these are some great wheel donors. But I won't even talk about it, cause yeah, 50% off. Oh, you're kidding me, man. Yeah, this is the one I'm missing right here. Like I was telling you guys, I got a hold of that McLaren, the 240, and the Subaru. Just two of the. Oh no, they're not repeated. I thought it was the same one. Yeah. So this completes the set. Man, I wish there was doubles. But yeah, man, this completes the set. Yeah, I knew it. I seen the picture, and I seen the shipper, and it came with like these ones, and it came with like favorites, the 50th favorites. Um, but yeah, man, I wish I could double my set. Oh, but I mean, one completed set is just great news. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's such a relief. Cause I would have bought them online, but I always say just wait and wait and wait. Be patient, you know. Cause this one was like back in. Shoot, man, it's been a while since I got the Subaru, the 240, and the McLaren, and I even got them on sale. They were at $299, I believe. I don't know the price right now, but yeah, this is a great find. Other than that, let's take a look here. But looks pretty much everything that's old. I don't see a new case for 2019. But I mean, we're already on like the H case. We'll see later on about those ones. If the price drops, I will take them. But for now, this is it. This is all I'm gonna take. And actually, once I get home, I'm gonna record and show you guys the completed set. Because the one I had for the 240 was cracked. It had a cracked blister. But I think I did find an additional 240 now that I remember, with 2 additional Subaru Impreza. I have to look. But anyways, I will make a video once I get home and then show you guys the completed set. Yeah. And yeah, well, right now I'm just walking the store, and that shipper looked just like that one right there. Hopefully, and just hopefully, it does have the remaining of the 50th favorites. But no, this one just maybe, because look, this is from the 50th. Look, there's a 300. There's the Samax. Another Samac. But yeah, that shipper looked just like this. But like I said, it had the Cars and Donuts and the 50th favorites. But this is a mess. Looks like somebody has been here, and then these ones are fairly recent. I would say about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And the one I seen was similar to this one, but like I said, it didn't have the Cars and Donuts. But yeah. Anyways, this is pretty much what I was. Oh, see, look, there's another one. So Yeah. Yeah, I don't see many here. Yeah, I don't see any cars and donuts. Yeah, so here it is, guys. I'm at home right now. And look. Cars and donuts. This is the 1 out of 5. Which is a very cool card. And then back there you can see the rest or the remaining of the set. This is the McLaren P1, which yeah, I think it was $2.99 or $3.99 when I bought this one. And I was hunting for a super. I think at that time I got 2 of the Corvettes. And look here, man, 2 out of 5. And again, the card itself, it's amazing. And the background as well. And look here, the car itself with a Fugu Z. Very nice. Very cool on the back. And the front is just great. And look at the rims. I like these rims. Very cool rims. And then you guys can see it's cracked like I was saying on the video. This is how I bought it when I found it. And it was at $2.99 like I'm saying, so it's not bad. And look here, 3 out of 5. Very nice card. And look, the car itself. The Goodyear on the rear back panel, number 2. What does that say, man? Can't read it. But yeah, no temples on the back or the front. It's a little bit disappointing, but I mean, like I said, I'm just happy to have the completed set. Oh, it's just saying Alfa Romeo. But yeah, very nice. And here's the number 4 out of 5. And the car, I don't know what's that car back there, but it's not a part of this set, because there's the number 1, the number 2, 3, 4. Subaru must be the 5th. But yeah, I don't know why is there that car over there. I think it's a Corvette. Looks like a Corvette. But yeah, again, no temples on the front or the back. Very cool on the hood, though, on the side. And the card. I like the rims, but these ones just don't look too similar to those on the card. But I mean, still nice. And look here. Now these ones do resemble the ones, the rims do resemble the ones on the card. But yeah, look at that. This is a nice Subaru, man. Oh, look at that. That's just pure awesomeness. Subaru. Even though it doesn't have the front temples, this just on the back, it just looks great. And the side markers. Yeah, this came out neat. And I mean, I don't think it really needs the temples on the front. the headlights are lenses, and that's just very realistic. But yeah, there you guys have it. This is the Cars and Donuts completed set. Yeah, so yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give me a like if you did, and if you didn't like the video, just hit the dislike button twice, just to make sure I know that you guys did not like it. So yeah, twice. Anyways, peace, have a good one, and stay hunting, and happy huntings. Yeah.